I'm back with another video, and today I'm bringing you guys like a little makeup tutorial because I haven't did one in like forever, and I know my makeup tutorials don't usually do the best on YouTube, but it's something I really like doing, so I thought I would do a little sunset kind of tutorial. It's not really a sunset, I was just playing with colors. So, and I kind of got inspiration from a couple of people. I'll link their Instagrams down below. I forget her name, I really do. It'll pop up on the screen, and with the picture I was kind of trying to do. So yeah, I'm just playing with new products and showing you guys how I do my makeup and trying to kind of give many helpful tips, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, just continue to watch. Girl, I look glowy though. Like, Jackie, you did the damn thing, sis. Okay, y'all, so we're jumping right in, and I'm starting off with brows. I'm just taking my Anastasia brow wiz in the shade, I believe it's dark brown. Yeah, because I have the dip brow in ebony. So I'm just going for like a more natural looking brow. So I'm just using the brow wiz because I feel like it just gives you more like of a natural brow. You can go light-handed with it, and say you mess up a little bit, it's not gonna look too bad as if you were using the dip brow, because honey, you can get real bold real quick with the dip brow, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, and you don't have to use the Anastasia one, you can just use the NYX one. I normally use that one too. But now I'm just bringing you guys really closer so that you can kind of see what I was doing. So now I'm just at the beginning of my brow, and I'm doing like light strokes to make it look like I have hair on my brows in the front when I really don't, you know what I'm saying? So yeah.
Give me a paper towel, give me another volume, give me another hour or two, hour with you. Why you bother me when you know?
Okay, so now I'm just going to take some concealer, and I'm just going to clean up under my brows. I only do under my brows, I don't do the top because I just don't like the way it looks on my brows, you know what I'm saying? I don't really care for that look, but if you do, okay, you know what I'm saying? I'm not judging. But now I'm just gonna start doing my eyeshadow, and I'm taking this yellow shade from the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. It's like her little mini ones. It's the very colorful one, and I'm just taking that and putting that as like a transition color because it's not really that pigmented on me, at least. Yeah, it's not that pigmented, if you can tell. So I'm just taking it as like a transition shade, and then I also go into the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette and use the yellow in there just to get a little bit more pigmentation.
I did it with you, should never let you hit it, I split it with you.
Okay, so for the orange eyeshadow that I'm applying, I'm taking this shade Hunts from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just applying that a little bit lower in my crease, kind of, but just a little bit upward. I don't know if that's making sense. It's in my, I'm just putting the color in my crease, and then I'm just blending it out. And the brushes that I'm using, I will have them linked down below. They're from BH Cosmetics. This isn't sponsored, of course, but I really like their brushes, and if you're on a budget, I feel like they're very affordable and easy to use. So now I'm just keep applying the Hunts color just to get it a little bit more pigmented, even though this color is like really pigmented, y'all, like popping. So yeah.
Let me plant that seed inside. As it only thing that's the whip, baby. Only thing that was real, only thing I could feel, you feel me? So why you bother me? Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Trying to catch me.
Okay, so I'll go back into the BH Cosmetics palette to Take Me Back to Brazil, and I take the red shade, and I also go into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I take the Jax, which is the more deeper burgundy color, and I also put that on like the outer corner of my eyelid just to give it a little bit more smoky look, and I also put that in the crease, but not too above, so that you can still kind of see the yellow and the orange. So I'm just deepening it with the red and the burgundy shade.
Loving and licky, cause you promised to put it down. All up in your city looking for you, searching for you like only thing keeping me from dropping you right now, right now. Love, only thing keeping me by your side, only thing keeping me by your side now. I need love, love, love.
Okay, so I'm going to take this e.l.f. brush and this Maybelline Fit Me concealer and cut my crease. This brush is like $1 at Walmart, Target, anywhere that sells e.l.f. cosmetics. But I normally use the Real Techniques detailer brush. That's also good for cutting your crease, but this is just a cheaper alternative. And then I'm going to be packing on this yellow eyeshadow from the BH Cosmetics palette and the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette in the shade Electric, or the palette Electric, and I'm just packing that onto my crease where I cut it at. And I didn't set the concealer where I cut the crease at, that's why I'm just packing on the yellow eyeshadow. Okay, y'all, so the lighting kind of gets a little funky right here, but I'm taking this orange shade, which was Hunt's, that I used in my crease, and I'm also applying that on my lid kind of by the yellow to give it a little ombre effect. And sorry about the lighting, it kind of got a little weird, and I was looking at the camera, but I wasn't really paying that much attention to it, so it's only going to be like that for this clip. But yeah, I'm just applying that and making it a little ombre and blending it out. Okay guys, so I just wanted to add a little bit more something to the look, so I put some glitter liner on, and this one is by NYX. It's only like $4, and it's in the shade, well, the color Crystal Gold. So as my primer today, I'm just going to be using MAC's Strobe Cream and Goldlite, and I'm also going to be mixing in the Smashbox primerizer just to give my skin a little bit hydration since it is winter time and your girl is drier into winter time. So yeah. The foundation that I've been using lately is the BarePro foundation in the shade Clove, which I believe is 28. So I'm just taking that and blending it out with a flat top brush by the BH Cosmetics. And the brushes are the rose gold set, just to let you guys know. They're really good. So yeah, and then I'm also going to be taking this concealer by Bare Minerals, and it's in the shade Deep. I believe it's Deep. I will have it pop up on the screen, and I will have it in the description box, but I'm pretty sure it's Deep because I can't use any other one because it's really light. But I'm just taking that to conceal under my eyes, and ignore the big pimple that I have under my eyes. I don't even know if y'all can really see it, but just to let y'all know. So yeah, and then I also took the Maybelline Fit Me concealer just to add like a little bit more brightness under the eye. And then I'm taking a beauty blender or a beauty sponge and just blending out the foundation. And sorry if I'm talking a lot in this video, I feel like I am. Well, it is a voiceover, so you know what I'm saying. So I'm shopping you right now, love. Only been keeping me by your side, only been keeping me by your side now. Okay, so now I'm just taking some setting powder and I'm setting under my eye. I'm using the Mercier, but a really good alternative is the Maybelline loose setting powders. I have the one in 35. I'm probably going to get a lighter shade, which is probably 30. But y'all, that powder is bomb. Like, this is probably my first time using my Mercier in probably in a couple months. So yeah, it's really good. But now I'm just going to be contouring my face to add a little bit, you know, little cheekbones, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to be taking my black Radiance contour palette in medium to deep and just, you know, creating some cheekbones. I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't cry over spilled milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another value, give me another hour or two, hour with you. Okay, so now I'm taking some MAC Fix Plus. It's like the little mini ones, and I believe it's like the scent lavender. It's just Fix Plus. So just sprayed it on my face to set my makeup. Then I'm gonna go in with some highlighter. And the highlighter I'm using today is the Jackie Aina. The Jackie. But yeah, I had to support because she's one of my favorite YouTubers. So I got LeBron's, but I'm also gonna be ordering La Peach if they still have it in stock. But yeah, LeBron's is amazing. Well, I was gonna say amazing, but you know, you know, we just gonna stop right there. But look at that. That is just so bomb. And then I also topped it off with the Maybelline Chrome highlighter, their molten gold one. Yeah, that one's bomb as well. Okay, also for lips, I'm just taking this NYX Ginger Snap lip gloss and I'm just putting that on my lips, and then I'm gonna also top it with another lip gloss by NYX, which is the Madeline. And then I also topped it with another lip gloss by Buxom, which is Dominique. And that's just my lip combo. If y'all know me, y'all know I do not like mattes or just lipsticks or none of that. I'm more of a gloss type of girl, so you feel me? Okay, yeah. But I've said you feel me a little too much in this video. I'm sorry if that annoyed y'all. So yeah, this is the end of the video. And I'm just fixing my hair, you know, trying to get the right angles, because y'all know your girl took some pictures after this, you know, because I was slaying. See, look at that, my double chin was popping. But yeah, but that's the end of the video, and I have the outro about to come up. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Talk to y'all later. Hey y'all, so that's the end of the video, and yeah, I just showed you guys how I did my makeup because I haven't made a video in forever, and I haven't bought any clothes since I made the last fashion haul. So yeah, I just showed you guys how to do this somewhat cut crease with yellow, orange, red, burgundy with glitter liner. Yeah, so, and I showed you guys a couple of new products that I use, which was the the Jackie highlighter by Artist Couture, and they collaborated with Jackie Ina, one of my favorite YouTubers. So yeah, and I showed you the Huda Beauty palette that I had, which was the Electric Obsessions. So yeah, I was just showing you guys some new products that I got and was trying out. So yeah, and I just wanted to make a video. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys had a happy Christmas. I hope you guys got everything that you wanted, and I hope you guys had a safe and happy New Year's. So yeah, today's January 1st, the day that I'm recording this, so I don't know when this is gonna go up, probably the 2nd. So happy New Year's to you guys, and I'll see you in my next video, whenever that will be. Okay, so